Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT 5 with some of the real examples, even if you are a complete beginner. So whether you are working, studying or creating, these tips will save you time and energy. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on chatgpt.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you already have it, or if you don't have it, you need to first of all sign up with the help of your email address and your password. So once you are here on chatgpt.com, this is going to be the section where you can basically type your prompt. Now by default, you are going to see all of your generations on the ChatGPT 5 model, so you don't need to change it exactly. But if you want to see which model you are using, you can click on this drop down menu here in the top left hand corner of the screen and you can just take a look at it. So first of all, you can use ChatGPT 5 for work productivity. ChatGPT can draft the emails, summarize reports, or even help with writing the tasks. So here in this messages section, you can type something like write a professional email to a client apologizing for a delivery delay and offering a 10% discount on their next order. So if you have similar query like this, it is going to write an email for you based on the prompt that you give it. Now you can use it for study and learning too. You can use it as a tutor to explain the difficult topics in simple terms. For example, let's say you can ask it to explain quantum physics to me like I am 12 years old, or you can also use it for like this: create 5 practice questions on World War II for high school level. Now, ChatGPT 5 can be used for creative projects. It helps with brainstorming, stories, and even scripts. So, over here, you can type something like this. You can write a 60-second YouTube script about why cats make the best pets. So, you can hit enter and it is going to give you the responses. So that's it. These are some of the methods that you can use ChatGPT for. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.